because you're there. Only those who are here are looking at the star. Want a star? Good, okay. Gio. Aiko, very good. Big kid. Okay, let us count first.
She wants to get the star.
Okay, let us count. Say 1. Start already close to the answer, okay, keep muna the teacher. Can you help me? I go put the yellow here. Yellow, put the yellow, very good. Then the orange. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now, if you know the color, teacher often will teach you star. Every day, when you have a star, you start going to school, and we'll be checking. Let us count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 9 and 10. And I will sit down because I'll be giving the star already. Okay, she showed me. Nilala na ni teacher offer. She showed me. You have a star. She showed me. Okay, so it will be here. What we need to show? Okay, and Gio. Shobi is God. What is her name? Shobi. Say Shobi. This one is Gio. Ano pa natin? Gio. And that one is Justin. And Ferdy. And Ace. Very good Ace. And Shauna. John. And this one is Jaiko, Nico, and this one is Aiko, and this one is Yuki. What is my name? What is my name? Teacher Offer. Okay, my name is Teacher Offer. What is your name? O, sino pangalan niya? Wait. Okay, magic teacher Offer. Magic. Let me see. I will magic this later on na ito. Aiko, okay? Hey, now, you are going to listen to the star. Pag meron kayo ng star, you are listening and looking. So, point to your eyes. Point to your ears. Point to your nose. Point to your mouth. Put out your tongue. Yeah, very good. Let me see your hands. Alex, you want to see the star? Alex. Okay. Shobi. Okay, then tayo ang video. Come here. Wait first. You sit down there, then I'll give you a star. Wait, you got to wait to each other. Okay? Then 15 is very good. 15 is good. Aiko, come here. Aiko, let us clap. Aiko. Let us clap. Very happy. When you let us start, you're good. Okay? Then come here. Pero, parang memorize the name. give me the yellow. Mr. Yellow. Yeah. Okay, dirty, dirty. Sa'yo mo na yun, iwanan mo dyan. Kahit na rin ba akong magsuro ako?
Hello. Hello. Ano na lang?